Hi trainees, next second year question MCQ question for trainees for Draftsman Mechanical. First, how many types of engine are there according to the cooling system? Its option is A 2. What is the ratio of BHP and IHP is called mechanical efficiency? Option D. Next questions. What is the typical range of valves that vary widely in the form, application and sizes? Option C 0.1 mm to 60 mm. Please remember this one, 60 mm, it's called 60 mm. Next, which one of these an externally fired boiler? Its answer is eccentric valve. Next, what will be the form of gas or liquid when it will be heated? It's expand. Option A. Next, which material is not used to make a valves? It's like a wood. Option B. Next question, which of the following components are used to prevent the leakage of a gas or fluids from valves? Answer is gasket. Option D. Next, which component is used to manually control a valve from outside the valve body? Option A, handle. Next question, in which shape of three-way ball valves comes in fluid passing away inside rotor? Option A, T or L. Next, if the handle is turned 90 degree between operating position, the valve is called quarter turn valve. Option C. Next question, which of following valve has four ports equally spaced around the body? Option D, four-way valves. What is the material of weight carried part of dead weight safety valve? Its option is A, cast iron. Next, valve of a pressure cooker is an example of which type of safety valve? Answer is C, dead weight. Next question, where is the seat is secured in a vertical hollow pipe in a dead weight safety valve? Answer is to the top end. Option A. Next, spring loaded safety valve is also called, it's called ram's bottom safety valve. Next, which part is used in ram's bottom safety valve to act when the steam pressure steers to the set valves and allows the steam to escape? Option B, spring. Next question, when the spring is compressed by nuts on the pillars, by which object is length being adjusted? Option D, collars. Next question, what is the material of lever in safety valves? Option A, carbon steel, CS. What is the material of lever? Answer is carbon steel. How many steel bearings are used in a lever safety valve? Its answer is A, 1. Which object is placed near the forearm end of the lever through which is the loaded is adjusted? Answer is B, counterweight. Next, in the fire tube boilers, contents of tubes are hot gas. It's called hot gas contained in the tubes. Option A. Next, which of these an externally fired boiler is Lancashire boiler? Option C. Its answer, option C. Next, which arrangement is used to increase the temperature of saturated steam without raising its pressure? Option B, superheater. Next, which one of the following devices is used to remove dissolved gases from boiler feed water? Its answer is option C, dry heater or preheater. Dear irritator. What is called the standard condition of 20 degree Celsius and 101.3 kPa? Its answer is NTP. Question next. Which one of the following mountings used in steam boiler? Its option is C. Safety valve. Which material is generally used to make blow off cork? Answer is B. Gunmetal. Next. Where the blow off cork fitted? Answer is A. Lower part of boiler. Where a gland and stuffing box arrangement is provided in blow off cork? Its answer is C. Cover. Next. Which one following is used to remove impurities from boiler? Its answer is blow off cork. Next. Which type of device is hydraulic jack? Answer is C. Mechanical device. Next question. Which following is factors generated force and on which hydraulic jack depends? Its pressure. Option B. Answer is B. Which part is used to a lifting device to lift heavy load? It's called ram. Option B. Which is the most frequently used accumulator type? It's a compressed gas accumulator. Option A. Next one is, on which principle spring type accumulator works? Its answer is Hooke's law. Option A. Which of the following has storage reservoir where liquid is stored under pressure? Answer is hydraulic accumulator. Option B. Next question 10 is, what is the medium used in pneumatic system? Answer is C. Option C. Air. Which one is the pneumatic system? It's air brake on a truck. Option B. Its answer. Now, how many ports and position in a 3x2 direction control valve? 3 ports and 2 position. It's a right answer. Next, which is not to the basic features of drill jig, screw jack? It's option D. Next, which of these is an externally fitted boiler? Option 03. Next, which one of the following material is used to make a bench-wise body? It's cast iron. Option A. It's the right answer. Next, why is vice clamp used? Answer is B. To hold the job strongly. Next question. Which type of thread is cut on the spindle of branch vise? Answer is C. Square thread. Next question. What is the use of template? Answer is to locate the job. Option A. Next. Which jig has no base plate? Answer is D. Plate jig. Next. Which of the following is not the function of a jig? Answer is finishing. Option C. Which jig has a no base? Channel jig. Answer is A. Option A. Next, which of the following operation jigs are not used? Answer is milling. Option A. Next, what is the use of hand vise? Answer is D. To hold the small size of job. Next, what is the length of a handle of vise? Answer is B. 2.5 times of nominal size of vise. Next question. Which device is used to hold the workpiece securely in the jig and fixture against the cutting force? Its option clamping device. Option A. Next. Which of the following is used for holding board parts for machining their outside surface on lathe? Answer is mandrel. Next question. Which is not a clamp from the following? Its answer is D. T-bolt. Option D. What is the other name of forjo chuck? Answer is independent chuck. Forjo chuck, other name of forjo chuck, it's independent, not independent, I think it depended, sorry, independent chuck. Option B. Which of the following is not a part of the forjo chucks? Answer is B. Dead center. Next, which one of the following can be held by 3-jaw chucks? Chuck. It's hexagonal work. Option B. It's right answer. Why 4-jaw chuck is used? For more gripping power. It's answer D. Next, which chuck is push out and drawing type chuck? Its answer is collet chuck. Option A. What is the other name of air operated chuck? Option C. Hydraulic chuck. Next, which one of the following is not a part of hydraulic chuck? Its answer is A. Tailstock. Next, in which of the following machine fixture is not used? Answer is D. Fitting machine. Next, which one of the following material is commonly used for making locking and locking device? Answer is B. High carbon steel. Next, which jig is used for maintaining in more than one plane? Box type jig. Next question, which type of jig is employed on the multi-spindle machine? Answer is multi-station jig. Which process is not used to construct jig and fixture? Answer is turning. Next, how many cutters at a time milling machine can hold? Option A. Multi cutter. Next, which of the following is not holding device in the milling machine? Option B. Tailstock. Next, name the machine where arbor is used to hold cutter for saving time. Answer is C. Milling machine. Next, size of the milling machine is given by the dimension and maximum travel in 3 direction of which part? Option is D. Work table. Next, which bolt is used for holding work directly on the milling machine? Answer is T bolt. Next, which of the following tables are used in milling machine? Answer is C. Rectangle. Answer is C. Next, which of the following part of shaping machine holds and support the workpiece? Answer is C. Table. Next, what part carried tool head in shaping machine? Answer is D. Ram. Next, which of the following part of shaper is used to hold the tool? Answer is A. Tool head. Next, name the job holding device in shaping machine. Answer is B. Vise. Next, why fixture is used as a production device? Answer is C. Holds and locate the workpiece. Next, which device is used to in sharp the machine to hold the cylindrical workpiece? Answer is D. V block. Next, which of the following is used to guide the tool and hold the job in mass production? Answer is A. Option A. G. Next, drill jig bushing is generally made of? Option B. Tool steel. Option B is right answer. Share and help other student to this question. Thank you.